Hello YouTube, this is DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the Cricut Silhouette collab with Poetspice for 2019. And for the month of October, we were supposed to do figures and layers. And as always, I always have the other collaborators and the link below so you can see who they are. And I have a playlist for all the videos for this collab. My video is up late because at the time this was being filmed and everything, my laptop was broken. Couldn't upload any videos, but I did projects, so I just want to go ahead and show you what I did, how my interpretation for that theme was. So it was figures and layers, so I was thinking, I just couldn't think of what I wanted to make, and I typed in the word figure, and of course a lot of ice skaters came up. So then I thought about it, then stick figures came up, and I said, oh, that's a good spin on it. So I think I decided, you know, I need some masculine, some boy type embellishments. So I did some boy figurines, stick figurines. These also came from the Cricut cartridge card decal, which I own, but I did it in Design Space, which this is also in Design Space. It's an older cartridge, but these are the kind of things you can use your window cling to make your window people that you see on the back of everybody's windows. But I just decided to do them on paper to layer them up. So just very simple stick people, but I can use these also on layouts, you know, because it's hard to find, you know, masculine layouts. So I thought it would serve two purposes. And of course I just made them green and blue just because, you know, they usually go with most of masculine layouts. So I figured I'd be able to still use those. Very simple. These are just 2 layers, so very easy to put together. One thing you have to do is make sure you find your little eyes, the little dots, and glue those down. Other than that, the rest of it is very simple to do. So that's my take on it. So make sure you check out the other ladies and see how they interpreted that for that month of October. And hopefully it inspire you to pull out your Silhouette or Cricut and play with it, use your machine, find out some of the images that you've forgotten that were there, and have fun. So anyway, thanks for your time. Thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.